Inaonekana huyo msichana amepitia uchungu.
Ken Gashuhi, KTN.
Preparations for the burial of slain Catholic priest Father Allois Bett are in top gear, with the priest expected to be buried inside Lesos Parish in Cheplas K, Nandi County. The burial will be held on Tuesday next week. Now, various priests who trained together with the deceased visited the family today to mourn with them. The priests, as well as family members of the late Father Allois, have urged the government to end banditry in North Rift as respect to the departed father.
So you know Father Allois? I know.
Mi naomba fanyia mtoto yangu ukweli. Ngao ilikuwa si mtoto yangu, ilikuwa ya watu wote. Ilikuwa anatumia watu wote. Hata maajabu moja niliona kama anaongea na president huko Toto. Hata eri president akuja aone yeye kama ameshaenda.
I really call the president and, his leadership, the CS Murkomen who comes from the same place, that they should not sleep. They should continue really to help together with the community. We have now enough NPRs there. They have been given the legal guns now to protect the communities. So they must really do a disarmament to remove all the guns in the valley.
We urge all the political leaders, in this case, to step aside for the security agencies to do their work.